Hello folks, and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to set the time and change the timer settings on one of these controllers for a diesel air heater. When you power up the LED display for the first time, you have a series of icons all around it. You also have a clock icon here and some zeros in the centre. They indicate the time. Now, to alter the time or to set the current time, you press the settings button here in the top left. The first digit will flash and you can adjust that using the up and down buttons. Now, that will only show a 0, a 1 or a 2 because it's a 24-hour clock. So if I want to set the time of day at 7 in the morning, it would be 07, okay, 100, okay. And when I click this final one, it will show that it's 0700 is the time. And clicking it again, it takes us into the first time section of the controller. You'll know you're in that because it's got a little alarm clock here. And you can adjust this on or off by the up and down buttons. Once you've got it set to on, click OK, and it now asks you what is the first on time for the first period, and it will be, let's say we want it to come on 08 something. We'll click OK, 8 we'll click OK, and we now go 8, OK. Let's go for 8:30 in the morning. It will now ask what time do I want it to go off. So let's say 10 in the morning. Okay, and we go down. Okay, and when I click this one, it's confirmed that settings, and it will take us to our second set of timed settings, which you can turn on and adjust the same as the first lot or leave off. To go back now to the time of day, you press the settings buttons once, twice, and you're in the time of day setting. And you know, because you've got the clock here, and also you also know that you've got a time section on because the alarm clock is there. If you want to turn the alarm clock off, go to settings and press it once, twice, and you'll see that 1 is on and you can turn it off. OK this, you know that 2 is off, so everything's OK. Press the settings twice again and you're back to the clock, but you haven't got the alarm clock in here, so you know there's no alarm settings on it. And that's about it. So there you are folks, a very easy procedure to set up the time and to set up the 2 timed periods on these little controllers that work the diesel heaters. Hope this short video has been helpful, and I will catch you on the next video. Bye for now.